So today I'm going to show you how to do tuck stitch. So tuck stitch adds texture and details to pattern. So if you see here, this is tuck stitch. With mohair, the fiber is fuzzy, so it's very hard to see, but combined with tuck stitch and bubble, it creates this beautiful pattern. So you can use tuck stitch to combine with other stitches to create your own pattern. So I'm gonna show you with this worsted weight yarn. We have trim, and this is how it works. The knit few, you have to follow the pattern. So some patterns says multiples of rows, and here, if let's say we're gonna do tuck stitch, gonna unravel few rows, multiple of rows by using right hand needle or hand. If pattern says 4 rows, you're gonna unravel 4 rows of stitches. So hard to see. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna insert a needle fifths and under all those loops. So tuck. So it creates the texture. If the pattern says 4 rows unravel, 2, 3, 4, you go fifth stitch below, insert a needle, and yarn over, pull all through. This creates the texture and kind of open work and interesting texture. See, it's easy. Tuck stitch. Let's try here again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, unravel the stitches, and then insert a needle, yarn over, voila, that's the tuck stitch.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.